curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2023 Jeep Renegade, wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2023 Jeep Renegade's engine compartment fuse box is located on the left side of the engine bay near the battery. It houses fuses for major systems like the engine control module, transmission, and cooling fans. Body controller fuse box. The 2023 Jeep Renegade's body controller fuse box is under the dashboard on the driver's side, managing windows, lighting, and infotainment. Rear cargo fuse box. The 2023 Jeep Renegade's rear controller fuse box is in the cargo area behind the left side panel, managing rear lights and the rear wiper.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.